Welcome to the GarageGate Control Training Lecture. In this video, we will cover how to control the gate and set delayed notifications. The GarageGate control is set up by creating a virtual button that the user can press in the app. Control can also be performed using a physical button directly in the garage if we want to open the gate from the inside. We will configure the garage door using the following smart rule. We are going out from the push button, so in the lower part, we choose push button events. When we press the button, the action will be performed with an impulse relay. In the relay, we have to set the impulse. This impulse should last for 500 milliseconds. The result is that when the button is pressed, this output is turned on for a short time. That's the configuration of the garage gate. It's very simple. A slightly more complicated configuration is the case where we want a notification with a delay. Since we cannot send a delayed push notification, we must create a delayed action. This is done by copying the state of the garage door and transferring it to a virtual status. So open the garage door sensor and create a smart rule. In this case, we need a smart rule switch event. The input device is the garage sensor. If the garage door is open, then the status of the garage sensor is turned on. If the door is closed, then the status of the garage sensor is turned off. But we need to set a delay for turning on, and we do it like this. We click on the on action, clock, and set the delay. For example, we set the delay to 6 seconds. OK, set. Now, if we open the door and wait for 6 seconds, we see that the status has received a timed action, but it will only switch to the open state after 6 seconds. If we close the door, the status will immediately change to the closed state. For the purposes of the garage door, it is appropriate to change the state from 6 seconds to 15 minutes. Since we have set a delay for the gate status, we can set up a notification. We add a smart rule again. Switch event. So if the garage is open for more than 15 minutes, the following action is a notification. We can set the message that will be displayed at the event. We can also select the users who will receive this notification. That's the garage door control. See you in next lesson.